Hello, lovely. Okay, 2 weeks ago, I found a cat. Now look what blew out the tree. Oh, look at this. This is in my bird feeder. I'm gonna show y'all what kind of food not to get because this is growing out my bird feeder. So this is actually weeds in the bird feeder. I cannot believe this. And this bird food be costing so much because life be life, and y'all keep your head up. Welcome back, Empresses and Emperors. It's been so rainy lately. I wanted to share a couple of things that happened so far, some scary moments for me, and in the video you'll see why I say scary moments, because once again I'm experiencing something that I've never experienced before, but in the end it worked out as it always does, because yeah, that's just the way it happens. I hope this video makes you smile and relieve a little bit of pressure of life, because life be life, and y'all keep your head up. So once again, I hope you're doing well and sending light your way and positive energy, and enjoy the video. Okay, so this is why I stay out of Walmart right here. You see these? These are aqua terra planters. The water goes down here in the bottom and the plant comes up top, just like that. And you don't have to worry about nets. You know, the little nets that get in the plants and make babies and all, and then we have to go through a process of whatever. Anyway, these are the best ones. So these are $2. These are $5. They don't have any bottoms, of course. They're just regular planters, like right there. They don't have any bottoms like these, but these are really good. These planters. Looks like that one's kind of got something going on right there, so I'm not getting that one. But this is a deal. This is definitely a deal. And this is my purchase so far. Okay, 2 weeks ago, I found a cat. Now look what blew out the tree. So I put him over in the corner. And now, what I'm gonna do, hopefully, the goal is to put them, the whole nest, in a basket. Already came and visited them. So if I can just take this, hang this up, maybe like somewhere over there, like she can continue to, God, hopefully just come get her babies. Because I know I want my babies. That's just period. So we're gonna see. Okay, it worked. So I got them out from over there. I put them up here. So at least they are out of the way of the cats. So here's a bird feeder that I got from Lowe's. And I got it because I got tired of those bigger birds getting on the bird feeder and just knocking all the bird food out of the bird feeder. And then also, whenever the bigger birds were on there, the smaller birds couldn't even, get to the food because the bigger birds would be there. So I got a smaller one. It's working out better. I do attract the cardinals, the bluebirds, and then also the yellow finches also with the little bird feeder to the left. But overall, it was a good pick. And I've started using safflower seeds too, because the safflower seeds, the bigger birds do not like. I saw that somewhere and started using that, and it's working. Hello, lovely. I rebuilt my fire pit, y'all, because it looked really, it had a lot going on, so I rebuilt it. It needed it. It looks better. Okay, so look at this. This is in my bird feeder. I'm gonna show y'all what kind of food not to get, because this is growing out my bird feeder. So this is actually weeds in the bird feeder. I cannot believe this. And this bird food be costing so much. I'm so disappointed. I cannot believe there is weeds growing in the damn bird feeder. Like, seriously, look at this. This is weeds. Weeds in my bird feeder. Now this is the kind of bird food that I bought. This is the first time this ever happened to me. But if you don't want weeds in your bird feeder, and I got it from Walmart, don't buy this. Don't buy this bird food if you don't want weeds growing in your bird feeder. Don't buy it. Because now I gotta get down in here and get this out. This is ridiculous. I ain't ever saw nothing like that ever in my life. Ever. Like, I know we done had like a lot of rain, but this food is literally sprouting in the bird feeder. I'm gonna show y'all something. Hold on. I'm gonna show you. I just really want to put some bird food out for the doggone birds. And then I found sprouts in here, honey. Girl, sprouts. Sprouts farmers market, but sprouts in the bird feeder, honey. I'm so disappointed. I'm super disappointed. Okay, hold on. Y'all see that? Hold on. Do you see this right here? These are sprouts. Mind my nails because I've been in the yard doing stuff, y'all. Don't judge, don't judge, don't judge, don't judge. But this is sprouts from the bird food. Do you see that? It's literally sprouting up. Look at that. This came from that bird food. don't buy that bird food. Not unless you want sprouts. You want some sprouts, buy bird food. I'm fancy, y'all. I got me a little basket. You know, just a little basket to put my little goodies in. I see a couple of okras. Let's see this baby right here. Okras. I don't know what happened right here, but I'm just cut this and let this go back into the ground. However it does, because that was just I don't know what happened right there. Peppers. Okay. I'm only picking up the red. Ooh, get that one. That's another example. Okay, I'll get that one quick enough. Okay. There. And then picking stuff actually encourages growth too. So you definitely want to pick your fruit. Don't be like me, pick your fruit. I'm gonna leave these green ones on here. I'm just letting them turn red. Because when you, like I said, you pick your fruit, it encourages growth. But my tomatoes didn't do that good this year. What I'm gonna do going forward with tomatoes is basically put them in the ground. I'm seeing that's what's working best for me. See that? This is a cucumber. Don't ask me why it's this color. I just know it's a cucumber. I just know it's a cucumber. Yeah. Oh, this one. Oh, wait a minute. Uh-oh, y'all. Wait a minute now. Your girl is doing something fancy. Look at this one. It looks like an actual cucumber. Yay. Pull you off. There. Okay. All right. Okay, she got a little harvest. Y'all better watch out. Y'all better watch out. What else we got? I think I'm gonna leave that one on there for now. I'm trying to prop it up here. Just prop it right there. And then there's another little baby down there. Right here. Oh, look at that. Little baby one. I don't know how that grew, but why it's going like that, but okay. So that's all that for now. Like I said, my tomatoes didn't do too good, but it's all good. I am, well, in the future, probably, I'm gonna leave those on there. I'm not even gonna plug them, because if you look at them close enough, this right here, it doesn't even have any green on it. That means it's like not getting the water that it needs. Look at the vine, it's not getting water. Most of the vines, if you look at the tomatoes, you can tell they're supposed to be green vines. Look at that. So if you see a vine like this that's green, that means it's getting everything it needs. If you see a vine like this, like that's brown or whatever, it's not getting what it needs. It's not getting the oxygen or the nutrients that it actually needs. So I'm gonna leave those alone because both of them are attached to brown vines. Yeah. Maybe I still got a little. Look at this butterfly. What is she doing, honey? What are you doing? You see him? That's so cute. Oh. Hey, honey. Good morning to you. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Want to say good morning to the empresses and emperors? So here's another tomato right here that it does have green attached. So let's see what this one does. Let me take and put it over there just like that. And then right here, I've got another cucumber right here. I'm going to pluck that one off. Oh, just like that. Alrighty. Chilling. Straight chilling. What is he eating on? Smile, you're on camera. So apparently birds like lavender, I guess. I found out something new. Yeah, he or she is eating on a lavender plant. That's lavender. Yeah, he eating the brown part of the lavender. I didn't even know they did that. This is new to me. Birds eating on a lavender plant. Oh. So here I am giving thanks for my harvest. And I feel extremely blessed to be able to grow some of my food. Maybe not all of it yet, but sooner or later, I will be able to grow more. I firmly believe the more that I do this, the more I'll be able to grow, you know? Because the more you know, the more you grow. So I do want to say thank you for those of you who have subscribed, and thank you for those that watch my channel. Empresses and emperors, this is my smiley face to you. And if no one has smiled at you today, here's your smile. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you for liking my content on my channel. Thank you for subscribing. And please continue to watch. And if no one has smiled at you today, here is your smile. I hope you like it. I like that smile. Hold on. Not the eyebrows, because you know when you turn the eyebrows in, they look mean. One of the cartoon characters. But yeah, this is your smile right here for you today. These can be the earrings. That's the earrings. Oh, and this can be the little flower. This was the extra piece that came off of the okra. This would be the little flower in the hair. So here's your smile. No one smiled at you today. Here's your smile. And again, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Oh my goodness. These are earrings, by the way. Actually, they can be cheeks. All right. Until next time. Bye.